Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Finally we can do a bit of SS work again, a bit of Mike and Gerald action like you guys asked for. Enjoy the show. So just before we get into things, guys, please remember, like, subscribe, comment, all of those things. So let me check here. The 4 hasn't started in quite a while, so let's check. And idling nicely done, eh?
Right, so we're preparing to put the head back on. Just cleaning the block. All looks good. There's new gasket, which is a miracle. And then we've got the head back from the engineers, which we will show you now. So we've got the head. Is it recording now? Head back, yeah. It's been skimmed, and he's put new valve seats in there, new valve guides. And okay, well, we can't see, but inside you have to make up the valve guides because they were a little bit wobbly, and then also valve stem seals, which it never came out with, so we used off a Ford Cortina which fitted. Anyway, so this is going to go on in a minute and assemble everything, and then hopefully it'll run. So now we're putting on lots of shellac onto the head, because it had no shellac on it before, and maybe that's why it was leaking in between the gasket and the head. And we also, the cylinder head gaskets, we're going to put 2 on because they're so very thin. It'll hardly have any effect in terms of compression, but it should be fine. So should be all right here. There we go. Try not to paint the piston. Yeah, okay. There we go. All right, so here comes.
You want to put some a little bit on one side?
No, that's fine. Let's put this one on. Good. Next one. More shellac. Put more shellac. We've got to work quickly here. Don't worry about that. It's on the edge. That's fine. Put more shellac. Put more shellac. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Don't be shy with the shellac. Good old-fashioned way of doing it. Good old-fashioned way. Especially around the balls, eh? There we go. Copper gaskets. Let's just hope that this time that's going to work, especially in the middle there as well, between the balls. So we're going to be going flat out on this car now to the end of the year. We lost a month, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Gasket must come a little bit further that way. There we go. There we go, in the middle, yeah. I don't know how they made these gaskets so thin. Modern day gaskets are 3, 4, 5 millimeters thick. And these, okay.
So indeed true.
Hey?
Yeah, true.
Yes. I spoke to the engineers about that.
Okay. Let's see.
That doesn't matter. Okay. More shellac. The old Jaguar. Videoing. This will work now. With the head done properly. This engine's hardly worked, eh? There's no grooves in the balls, nothing.
That is
Been lying for so long. Then that Sparky must come and get this alternator to work and then start the electrics. Well, he is working on it, but make the loom. What's the problem?
No, I'll just try.
Put more, especially around the balls. Okay, so when that's finished, I'll have to switch the camera off because I can't film and hold the head with Gerald.
I think I must put more on the head. So you will
No, it's
have
fine.
extra then,
It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
So more extra.
It'll be fine. It's going to dry too quick otherwise. It's fine. Okay, I'm switching off now. Let's get the head. Also a bit more on the head, just in case. Mainly around the balls. We don't lose compression on shit.
Let's get quick now. It's getting dry now.
Hmm?
It's very quicker.
Well, I can't see inside, but this is what it is. He made the
Yeah, you can
valve
see
guides.
it looks very close.
Skim the head a bit. Lekker. Lekker.
Okay.
I'm filming upside down. Okay. Okay, so just lift it. Let me get this piece of wood out again. Okay, let's go down. And it's not down. Not down. It needs a bit of gentle persuasion. Yeah, on the corner there.
This exhaust is sticking somewhere.
It's sticking here. Hang on. Oh, shit. Okay, I can't do this. Okay, so we got the head on, putting the camshaft on. Gingerly.
Yes, the rocket shaft, not the camera.
I mean the rocket shaft, yeah. Okay, next lady for a shave. Ready? Are they all on now? There we go.
That is the space for this.
Okay, so we've got everything back together today. But we had an issue with a loose pulley down here. We had to make a special spacer for. So we had to take the radiator out again. But better that than... That was probably the squeaking sound that we heard. Because the pulley wasn't quite happy down there. So, yeah. So we're all together. We've got an issue with one of the carbs. The needle is a bit bent. Anyway, but now we have the upholstery in, and it's looking rather nice after 2 months. We haven't mounted it yet, but you know, the door cards will have to be next, and I think it's going to look pretty smart. Matches with the outside nicely. It's going to be like a mobile lounge, this thing. Like a mobile lounge. Gerald, we need to lock that flywheel now. Okay. A lot of bloody work. And then we also modified the carburetor while it was off. We mounted a vacuum tube over here, so we can now have vacuum advance. Anyway, who's here now? Davey. There we go. Hello, are you back?
Hey, look.
So we've got it all back together and fired up on the first turn. And it's sounding sweeter than ever. Sweeter than ever. So cool. So cool. It's sounding so nice. Alright, we just got a water leak here, so okay, just switch it off and start it again. I want to see. Beautiful. Start. On the ticky. Huh? It's just the idling we got to sort out a bit now because